Kamarty! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's vlog ay mag-bake po tayo ng cake. It's because nakaka-reach na tayo ng 1,000 subscribers! And I'm so happy today because Cake Therapy allowed us to be with him in the kitchen to bake some cakes for the birthday of Tamor! So right now, we're going to prepare the ingredients para sa itong cake. So here we go! With me today is the owner of Cake Therapy, no other than Martha Sponge or Mark Anthony Pawela.
Okay, so right now we're going to measure our ingredients. So ideally, dapat sieve muna bago measure. But for me, I'm comfortable with this. So it's really up to you kung saan ka komportable. So this is the flour. Yan. Okay. Sama na. So I'm currently sifting the flour. So next is the flour. So sieve natin yan after. So I'm adding again another variant of cocoa. So again, we're going to sieve it. So we're adding some baking powder and baking. For this, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients. But before we're going to mix it, we're going to preheat the oven first, okay? Okay, so we're going to preheat our oven, guys. Okay. So while waiting for our oven, so we're going to mix all the dry ingredients. So ganyan lang yan.
Is it clockwise or counterclockwise?
It depends on you, basta in just one direction.
Oh, okay.
So you need to make sure na everything are well blended.
It should be mixed yun. Para lamian ko lang.
Yes. Okay, so you're going to make, hindi pa siya mix actually. So you're going to make a well para paglagay sa mga wet ingredients. You will not have a hard time mixing them. So I have here milk. So kung makikita nyo, it has a texture. So I added something here, some milk.
It's a secret of Cake Therapy.
Yeah, it will help make your cake moist. Okay, so we have eggs here, so we're going to add it here. Yes.
Mouthwash.
Just said. Oxygen pa mouthwash tayo kayo.
Bakit? Special participation ba itong ina-remove ko?
Milk.
Hindi gawas ang lactose.
Parang sila yung mag-i-extract.
So we're going to add oil.
Ano yung yalik?
Yes. So we're going to add hot water. Okay. Papa rin namin. Going to add it here. So all the wet and dry ingredients are already here. So we're going to mix it perfectly. Okay. So we're going to mix it so slowly lang and then in just one direction para everything will be, well blended.
While waiting for the butter to be mixed, so tutunan to ng atong friendship na assistant sa Cake Therapy.
Hello!
Say hi!
Hi! I am arranging here the staffs of Cake Therapy. So,
Yes.
galing po tayo ng Landers. Doon tayo ng ating mga
Please do
store.
follow also Tita Jopai's YouTube channel.
Yes! Thank you! Ito na guys, mga dairy milk natin. Galing pa ng Yan Yan store. Yan
Yes,
Yan's
thank you
commercial.
so much, Yan Yan.
Anything, nandun lahat sa Yan Yan. So, hi Yan Yan! Malaking tulong po sa aming negosyo to. Thank you!
Okay, so depende po talaga sa baker yan. But for me, I'm going to finish it with mixing with the rubber scraper. Kasi ayaw kong nasistress yung flour. Ready na po siya ilagay natin sa baking pan. Okay. So, our cake is ready. So, we're just going to have it para mas daling maluto. Okay, so we're going to put it inside the oven.
Yes.
Wala dito.
Look at the hands, it's messy.
Okay.
And here we go, our cake is now ready!